Hey, look at his leg. There's only one leg standing.
Wait, hold up. Why does he got one leg?
No, because his leg is up like this.
I want to go past him.
He ain't gonna fly no more. It's good there.
Look how close I am to this bird.
Dang, you almost scared him.
Look how close I am to this bird, Mom. No, don't. Dang! I don't know why I'm doing a video of this. I have seen a bird a lot, but this how. Look how.
No, look how close we are to his bird. He's like this. I'm okay. I'm okay with it.
I just want to get a little close to it. There we go. I'm gonna name you Jeff.
Yeah, time for you in his shade, man. He's trying to get out.
Well, that was it for the bird thing.
No, it's just like that.
His right foot hurt. He limped it.
Please don't tell me you're going to take him to the bird thing. Well, see you later, Jeff. Ain't they gonna scare Jeff away?
He gonna have to limp on over to the front.
Oh, there's more birds. Oh.
No, they're gonna catch the bird.
Well, that was it today in a bird. Now we're going to Walmart. Great place, and there's a lot of security cameras. There's my mom right here.
That ain't no shit, that's a he.
Hey?
No, he ain't made out of rock.
Trying to come up in there, hold up.
Hey, let's get this.
Let's get this one.
Yeah,
I call sitting down too.
me too.
Both of y'all can't sit there.
Well, I don't care.
Hey, that's so
That's a, you can get up there. Want to get up there, Terry?
It doesn't feel right if you push him.
No. Hold on.
Let's go through the front door.
I'm not getting no seatbelt on.
Can I sit down in it then?
No.
Huh?
No.
No, you too busy right there.
Too big, Travion. Both of y'all too big anyway.
I'm the right side.
Move. Come on, man. There you go.
I'm small.
They both too big.
Can I sit right there then?
I'm right here. I'm right here, remember. Hey.
Are you serious, Daniel?
Yeah. This way I don't have to walk.
Oh my God.
It's not a car.
Karen's down here. Is that?
It doesn't feel right.
Put your hands and arms in.
This way I don't have to walk.
Well, you gonna get your legs too big.
Sure. Never too big.
I want to sit there. You said you
Gotta
don't
go.
want to sit there. You said you don't want to sit there. Right. Stop pushing.
No. Where?
I think you need to go back to the right.
Whoa, the old cereal I like.
Travion, will you quit?
Yeah.
Come on, man. Why you got your camera on?
Okay, right now.
No, baby. Recording. Recording.
Mom,
I'm recording.